What's the difference between machine learning and AI?
So for machine learning, we are trying to optimize an algorithm to do something. So rather than telling it step by step what to do, we're just providing a lot of examples, a lot of data. And then, for example, this is an image of a cat, this is an image of a dog, and provide lots and lots of images that are of cats and dogs. And then the goal is to distinguish between them. So we optimize that to reduce the error in misclassifying, mispredicting what's one versus the other. So that's machine learning. We're just optimizing an algorithm to do something really good. We discard other aspects of it. With artificial intelligence, the goal is to simulate human intelligence through an automated process. So some folks consider machine learning to be a subfield of AI. Other folks see it as two separate fields.